What are you doing, little mom?
It didn't tell me something.
You playing with Play-Doh?
It didn't
Yeah,
tell
you
me
are.
something, Dad.
What are you gonna do with that?
Mama.
Mama,
It didn't tell me something, Dad.
what didn't it tell you?
It didn't tell me anything.
What anything for him to do?
What do you want it to do?
I want to get all that stuff, but I won't get it.
Why not? Because you're not moving
It's
the
right
boat.
there.
You gotta click on the boat to catch the boat. Click on the boat.
I did.
Click on it. Yeah, you must not have clicked on it. You just acted like you did. What are you doing, little mom? What you doing? Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
George has to make the water
Oh,
level
shithead.
higher so we can reach the boat.
It's a playground.
That rock's big and heavy. The water went off the rock, didn't it?
That's a big rock.
Little mom. Hi.
Big and heavy.
Hi.
The water went off the rock,
Cheese. Say cheese, Daddy. You got a dirty face, girl, and your hair's a mess. Tell your mom to clean you up.
Babe,
What? I don't like my kids dirty.
we'll clean him up.
You clean
We
them.
ain't doing anything.
You clean them, woman.
I'm eating dinner.
What's up with Dan?
Way to go. It looks like size isn't the only thing that makes an item sink fast.
What's that smell in here?
Important to
Smells like Chucky farted.
We did earlier.
George has to make the water level higher so he can reach the boat.
Oh my god.
All right, say bye.